all the motorcycles. Anyways, first really nice weekend, so the motorcycles were out. But that's a quick update. Started a new 114 build. It's going to be a WL clone, carbon fiber chassis. All the parts I got that I didn't have are from GEMRC, and this kind of what this is about. He's sending me some. Well, I had to buy them, but he just put up a new listing for the center diffs that they make themselves. So this is a really cool upgrade solution for center diffs for either the 112 or the 114. It's similar to the Rolalo, probably the closest thing to it that's on the market. I'll put some photos in the description, but it's essentially something like this with a slipper clutch in it. This came out of the XLF 650. It's the closest thing I have that's similar. So so it'll go like that, and then with a decent sized dog bone in the middle, very similar to the LC Racing setup. So put a link in the description. I just kind of wanted to give a heads up because stuff takes forever to get from over there. So it could be a couple weeks before I actually get it and get to show you what it's like or test it out. But the prices on them are cheaper than getting the standard aluminum piece of crap that keeps falling apart. So in my mind, it's worth a shot getting a slipper clutch for the price of the standard. Anyways, so this build, back to the other part, this build, it'll slowly be working its way up, and you'll probably see a video within the week on this. I'm going to be doing a 112 carbon fiber as well. I didn't use carbon fiber shock towers on this just because I'm using the new body style that kind of goes over the top like that, you know, so you get the idea. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that Red Storm or one of the other blue ones or whatever. We'll see what I end up doing. Anyways, that's a quick update. Yeah, GEMRC, man, they got some neat stuff. They don't have everything for WL, but they got most of it and most of the key parts. I just pretty impressed with this guy. He's really nice and accommodating, and he's not, you know, he's a tinkerer. He's making some cool stuff, like some cool stuff, and it'll be a lot more to come, especially for the WL style. So anyways, that's all I got for now. Like and subscribe and all that if you want to see his stuff coming in, so I can get it tested and check it out. Anyways, see you soon. Peace.